In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way of selling an ebook on Wix. So here I've just loaded up the website editor. We want to use the search bar and search for PayPal like I have right here. Now we don't want to add this one. We want to actually select this application, apps for your site, PayPal button. Click on open. And then we would just want to install this onto our website. So add it, agree and add. And I'll show you how we can set this up as well. So here it's going to look like this, and we can position it anywhere on our site. Now I'm going to click on settings, and you can choose the template here for your ebook selling. So here we'll just use PayPal, enter your PayPal email. So this is the email that we will use to get paid. I'll just write a sample email here, and we can verify it right here. Now, after we have typed out our email, we can choose the PayPal button type. So ours is going to be an ebook selling. So we're going to leave it as buy now. And here the important part is actually going to autoresponder email. So here we just want to click on autoresponder email. And this is what it's going to look like. Enable autoresponder sends after successful payment. So toggle this on and then customize autoresponder email. So it's going to look like this. You will customize it to your needs, obviously. So we can just click on any field here and we will type this out. So we will type out, thanks for your purchase. Click the following link to access your ebook. And I'm going to write a column. And now here, as you can see, it looks like this. What we want to do is we want to go to Google and search for file.io. Just Google search for this. I'm going to use this website. You can obviously use any file sharing website, but I recommend this one because it's very easy. I'll simply upload files here, and I'll upload my ebook. And as you can see, it uploads fairly fast. And once it has finished uploading, it will generate a link for us. Now, what's important here is before we copy the link, we want to change the expiration. So I'll do this one, and I'll do it in 1 year. So that's the most amount of time that you can have this file uploaded for. So 1 year. You can obviously make this a month or even less. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just copy this link. So I've just clicked on Ctrl+C, and now I'm going to go back into Wix and I'm going to paste this link that I've just copied. You can obviously change other parts of your email as well, but basically here I'm just going to click on save. And as you can see, it looks like this. We can also add a logo, but basically once somebody purchases our book, then they will they will get this email. And the really important part here I forgot to show you is the product cost. So we will set the product cost for how much our book costs. So for example, if I do $10 like so, then it's going to look like this. We can obviously add tax, shipping, discount codes, product codes, and we can change the design itself. So if we were to use another design here, we can change it. And basically that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.